First, why do they go to other countries? Keeping body and soul together. Medyo mahirap dito. Pag sinabi mong huwag kayo aalis. Bakit? Diba? What's here for us? We have a family to support. A sister whom I promised would send through at least high school. Pagpasok abroad, ayaw magrehistro sa embassy o sa consulate. Yun ang hindi ko maintindihan. Nalalaman na lang natin pag nasa death row na or may problema na mabigat. So first thing is inventory. How many are going out? For what reason? May qualitative, no? Saka may quantitative dimension ito. Mabigat because our embassies, our consulates are undermanned, no? Underfunded, at saka sobra ang trabaho. There are about an estimated 15 million Filipinos scattered in 200 countries all over the world. How do we account for them? No? Not only count them, but find out how they are. Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they still alive? Now, we are faced with this situation. Ang feeling ko rito, Brad, parang naghihinday tayo na may masamang mangyari. Pag may masamang mangyari, naghihintay tayo ng awa ng Diyos. Mahirap yung ganun sitwasyon. Para bang reactive. We must be able to protect our countrymen. No? How? By giving them a compelling reason to come back. Short term, very limited. Di ba? Kahit na yung national security, hindi na yan national security lang, hindi lang preparasyon para sa gera lang, no? Kaya sabi nga yung 3 pillars of national security, political unity, social cohesion, and economic prosperity. Para makaya natin lahat yan.